Hello friends, now for advice and warning and precautionary recommendation, you have got the semi-models. These are semi-models. Semi-models, that is our program today. How to use these semi-models for advice, for warning and also for precautionary recommendations. For example, you say, no, you had better handle gas stove with care. That is precautionary, isn't it? You had better consult an artist. So that is an advice, isn't it? That is an advice. Or you had better handle glass with care. That's a warning. Precaution, warning, like that. So the difference between had better and had best, usually had better is preferred rather than had best. Had best is a dialectical variation of had better. Okay, let's see. So first is advice. For advice we have you had better come early. So that is it. You had better come early. Now, in your spoken English now, you can contract this to, contraction will be you had better come early. You can contract it, or you can delete altogether you had and start the sentence like this: better come early. So that's it. So in the second sentence we might, this is full, isn't it? Full form. This is contraction, and this is deletion. So in spoken English, you will not say you had better come here. Better come here. At least, better come here. Better go out and play for your health. You had better go out and play, so on. You had better go for a walk. If you have got any stomach problems, you had better go for a walk. Or you can say better go for a walk. Or you can say you had better go for a walk. You had better go for a walk. Understand? This is it. Now, this is advice. That's a warning. Another use of this. See, we say you had better meet or see a doctor now. Otherwise, the situation may become worse. So that's a warning. You had better see a doctor now. Already you are having temperature. You are saying that no, I will go to the drug shop and get one across the counter. That will be alright. A crocin will do, a calpol will do, and so on. No. The warning is this: you had better see a doctor now. Don't wait. Don't waste your time. It can be something else. We do not know. Understand? So this can be again contracted to you had better, or just say better, etc. That's it. Clear? Now precautionary recommendation. It's a recommendation, you can say. So the third use is this is one, this is second, and the third use is precautionary recommendation. So you had better handle youth with great care. Very important, you know. So you are a warden, okay, or you are the class teacher. Then you handle. This is a precaution. You had better handle youth with great care. Otherwise, what will happen, we do not know. They are all, again, we can say, youth means full of energy, invention, imagination, visions, and all those things. So, and also rebellion. They are rebels, so to say, not in the negative sense, positive sense. So, if you don't handle them with care, you will not get them. Understand that? They will slip out. So, it's better to. So, that is, you had better handle them. So, that's a precaution. Same thing you can do, you add. You add better or better. Or better, we can say. So, deletion, contraction and deletion possible when you are talking spoken English. In written English, it's better to use the full form. You had better. I hope it is now clear. So, advice, warning and precautionary recommendation. Advice, you had better go and sleep. You are very tired. You had better go for a film. That's a good idea. Good for a film. Isn't it? You had better go and buy a new mobile. So there is an advice. This mobile is not working. As a warning, you can say, you had better keep the mobile away when you come to the class. You had better keep the mobile, or you had better deposit the mobile in the office and then come to the class. So that's a warning. You had better do. You had better come with. You had better come to the examination hall after a good preparation. Or warning, you had better come to the examination hall, leaving all your belongings outside. You had better warning, isn't it? That is precaution. You can say you had better handle the glass with care. You had better the TV with care. You had better you had better listen to the class. You had better come to the extra class. You had better meet your tutor. So that's a precaution. You had better meet your tutor. Also can be an advice. So then we have come to had best. Had best, already I told you, you can use this. Instead of had better, you had best come early. But that is not common. Common is you had better. So it is a dialectical variation. Means in spoken English, this is another variation, that's all. But it's better that you know about it now, isn't it? Better you know about it. So that's a caution. Better you know about it. All these sentences, what we have done, you had better come early, you had best come early. You had better see a doctor, you had best to see a doctor. You had better handle youth with care, you had best handle youth with care. Same thing, you can contract, also you can delete. Contraction and deletion is allowed here because especially in spoken English. I think now this point is very clear. This is very simple also for you. Very simple. So it's very clear. And before we leave, please read this and take it with you. Last week it was break the chain and crush Corona, but today it is let's wash our hands and flush out Corona. Keep this with you. Or write in a piece of paper and paste it here on your pocket, pin it, so that others also can see. Understand? Very important. These days are very dangerous, so you have to be very careful. Whatever we can do, whatever little thing we can do to support the efforts of governments and also NGOs and other organizations, and this is one small way of supporting. I hope that you will join me in this fight against this coronavirus in this way. That's all we can do. More than that we can do, of course, we must do. So, till we meet again, bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day.